Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story begins before a parent-teacher conference. Emma thinks she already knows what the teacher will say about her son. But during the meeting, she hears one unexpected story that makes her smile. Don't worry if you're still learning English. I'll speak slowly, clearly, and step by step. Here's today's listening question. What did the teacher say Alex enjoys the most at school? Listen carefully. The answer is in today's story. At the end of the video, we'll also review a few useful English expressions from the conversation to help you remember them more naturally. When you know the answer, leave it in the comments. Writing your answer is great English practice. Now, let's begin.
We made it. I thought we'd be late.
Me too. The parking lot was packed today.
I guess every family is here this afternoon.
Parent-teacher conference day is always busy.
It feels strange. I can't believe Alex is already in elementary school.
I know, it feels like his first day was yesterday.
Do you think we'll hear good news today?
I hope so. What do you think?
I think Mr. Brown will say Alex enjoys school.
That's my guess too.
He talks about school every evening.
Especially science. He never stops talking about science.
That's true. He even showed me a drawing of the solar system last night.
He was very proud of it.
He asked if we liked every planet.
I think he asked me 3 times.
Maybe his teacher will say he talks a little too much.
That wouldn't surprise me.
Not at all.
But he is always kind to people.
Yes, that's the most important thing to me.
I agree. Good grades are nice, but kindness matters more.
I wonder what he's like when we're not around.
I've wondered that too. Children can be so different at school.
Exactly. That's why I like these meetings.
You get to see another side of your child.
Yesterday, Alex said something funny.
What did he say?
He said, "I hope Mr. Brown tells you about my project."
Really?
Yes. Then he smiled and changed the subject.
Now I'm curious.
Me too. Maybe something interesting happened.
We'll find out soon.
I hope so.
Look, we're almost there.
I can already see parents waiting outside the classroom.
Everyone looks excited.
And maybe a little curious, just like us.
Let's see what Mr. Brown wants to tell us about Alex today.
I like this hallway.
Me too. It feels warm and welcoming.
Look at all these drawings on the wall.
They are colorful.
Every child made one.
I wonder if one of these is Alex's.
Maybe. They don't have names on them.
I think he'd draw rockets or planets.
Or dinosaurs. He still loves dinosaurs.
That's true.
Oh, look at that paper tree.
That's a nice idea for spring.
The teachers put a lot of work into this school.
They really do.
I'm glad Alex likes coming here every morning.
He never says I don't want to go to school.
That's a good sign.
It sure is.
Listen, I can hear children laughing in the gym.
I think the after-school program has started.
Alex is probably there now.
Maybe he's playing basketball.
Or talking about science again.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Did you notice something?
What do you mean?
Every parent walks out smiling.
You're right. I noticed that too.
That makes me feel better.
Me too.
These meetings are much shorter than I expected.
I think each family gets about 15 minutes.
That's enough to ask the important questions.
And enough to hear a few good stories.
I hope so.
What do you want to ask first?
I want to know how Alex is doing in class.
Good question.
Then I'd like to know if he has good friends.
I want to hear what he's like during recess.
That's something we never get to see.
Exactly. School is a big part of his day.
Oh, the door is opening.
I think it's our turn.
Here we go.
Let's hear what Mr. Brown has to say.
Hi, Emma. It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Thank you for meeting with me today.
You're very welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Was it easy to find the classroom?
Yes, we arrived a little early.
That's always nice.
We looked at all the student artwork outside.
The children were very proud of those projects.
They did a wonderful job.
I think so too.
Alex enjoys art more than I expected.
He likes creating things with his hands.
That sounds like him.
Before we begin, I'd like to say something.
Of course.
I always like to start with good news.
I'm happy to hear that.
Alex is doing great in class.
That's wonderful.
He comes to class ready to learn every morning.
He usually wakes up excited for school.
I can tell.
Really?
Yes, he has a positive attitude.
That means a lot to us.
He also pays attention during lessons.
I'm glad to hear that.
He listens carefully before he answers.
We've been working on that at home.
It's paying off.
That's good news.
Another thing I notice every day,
Yes?
Alex always says good morning with a big smile.
He does that at home, too.
Small things like that make a classroom feel friendly.
I'm happy he's polite.
He's respectful to teachers and classmates.
Thank you for telling me.
There's one story about Alex that I especially wanted to share today.
Oh, I'd love to hear it.
It happened a few weeks ago during recess.
Really?
Yes, I think you'll enjoy this story.
Now I'm very curious.
A new student joined our class last month.
Oh, really?
Yes, his name is Ethan.
Starting at a new school can be hard.
It can be. He was very quiet at first.
I understand.
During recess, he stood by himself.
Poor little guy.
I was watching from the playground.
What happened next?
Before I could say anything, Alex walked over.
He did?
Yes, he smiled and said, "Do you want to play soccer with us?"
That's so kind.
Ethan smiled right away.
I'm glad to hear that.
The other children welcomed him too.
That's wonderful.
Since then, they have played together almost every day.
Alex never told us this story,
Sometimes children don't think these moments are special.
but they really are.
I agree.
Thank you for sharing it with me.
You're welcome. I wanted you to know what kind of person Alex is becoming.
That means more than any test score.
I think many parents feel that way.
Yes, we do.
Alex enjoys learning, but he also enjoys helping people.
I'm very proud of him.
There's another thing I've noticed.
What's that?
He gets very excited during science class.
I knew you were going to say science.
He asks thoughtful questions.
He asks a lot of questions at home, too.
Curiosity is a wonderful quality.
I hope he keeps it.
I think he will.
Does he enjoy the other subjects, too?
Yes, but science is definitely his favorite.
That will make him very happy to hear.
He always looks forward to our science activities.
That's lovely.
Is there anything you'd like to ask me?
Yes, I'd like to know how he's doing with his schoolwork overall. I'd love to hear your thoughts about his schoolwork.
Overall, Alex is doing very well.
That's great to hear.
There is only one small thing I'd like us to work on together.
Of course. Please tell me.
Sometimes math problems take him a little longer.
Is the work too difficult for him?
Not really. He usually knows what to do.
Then what's the problem?
He doesn't always believe in himself.
Really?
Yes, if a question looks difficult, he sometimes stops too soon.
I think I've seen that at home, too.
Last week, we worked on a math activity.
How did he do?
He solved almost every question correctly.
That's wonderful.
Then he erased one answer because he thought it was wrong.
Oh, no.
The funny thing was,
Yes?
his first answer was actually correct.
That sounds just like Alex.
He simply needs more confidence.
We can help him practice at home.
I think that will make a big difference.
We'll work on it together.
That's a great plan.
Is there anything else we should do?
Encourage him to explain how he found the answer.
That's a good idea.
When children explain their thinking, their confidence grows.
We'll start doing that this week.
Excellent.
Oh, before I forget,
Yes?
yesterday Alex said he hoped you would tell us about his project.
Ah, his science project.
He seemed very excited.
He worked hard on it and probably shared it with the class.
He talked about it all evening at home.
You could see how proud he was.
Thank you for encouraging him.
It's my pleasure. He's a wonderful student, and it's been a joy to watch him grow this year.
Thank you. That means a lot to our family.
You're very welcome.
There you are. How did it go?
It went really well.
I couldn't wait to hear.
I have a lot to tell you.
I'm listening.
First, Mr. Brown said Alex is doing great in class.
That's wonderful.
He said Alex pays attention and comes to school ready to learn.
That sounds like Alex.
He also said Alex always says good morning with a smile.
I love hearing that.
Me too.
What happened next?
Then he told me a story I had never heard before.
Really?
A new student joined the class a few weeks ago.
Okay.
Alex invited him to play soccer during recess.
He did?
Yes, now they're good friends.
I'm so proud of him.
So am I.
Did the teacher say anything else?
Yes, science is still his favorite subject.
I'm not surprised.
Neither am I.
What about math?
After that, we talked about math.
How is he doing?
He's learning well, but sometimes he gives up too soon.
I think I've noticed that at home.
Mr. Brown said Alex often knows the answer.
He just needs more confidence.
Exactly.
So what's our plan?
We'll practice a little at home.
No pressure, just a little every week.
Right, we want learning to stay fun.
I like that plan.
Me too.
Do you think Alex is waiting for our report?
Definitely. He'll probably ask us as soon as we get home.
Let's tell him how proud we are first.
And then we'll make our little math plan together.
That sounds perfect.
I think we should celebrate with pizza tonight.
Great idea. I know someone who will be very happy.
I think he's earned it.
Well done! You listened all the way to the end. Before we say goodbye, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's conversation. First expression, doing great. Mr. Brown said, Alex is doing great in class. We often use doing great to say someone is doing very well. For example, you're doing great at your new job, or she's doing great in school. Second expression, pay off. Mr. Brown said, it's paying off. This means your hard work is bringing good results. For example, your English practice is paying off, or all your studying is paying off. Third expression, I'm proud of you. Emma said, I'm very proud of him. You can use this expression to encourage someone or show appreciation. For example, I'm proud of you for trying. It's a simple sentence, but it means a lot. Now, let's go back to today's listening question. What did the teacher say Alex enjoys the most at school? Write your answer in the comments. Writing in English is a great way to practice and remember new words and expressions. If you enjoyed today's story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, clear, and relaxing English conversations. If you'd like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for listening today. Take your time, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next story on English Listening Stories.